Good day guys and welcome to our channel. In this one I will show you quickly and easily how to connect your domain on Wix. So guys, you can manage in general your domains on your basically dashboard. As you can see, if you take a look on the left panel, we have different settings and one of them is setup, and this is where, as you can see, you can actually manage your domains, but this isn't exactly the place where you can connect a domain. So in order to connect it, just press on this drop down next to your avatar, go to the account settings. Okay, after that, you go to your domains. And as you can see guys, in here we have two sections and two buttons and two choices, which is firstly to buy a new domain name and connect a domain you already own. So in our case, let's say we're connecting a domain we already own. Click on this button. So as you can see, you need to upgrade first to basically connect your domain, your own. So you need to upgrade and purchase a subscription. You can also buy a new domain. So for example, you just search, let us say test domain me, and you can just search, and basically this allows you to check if this domain is available. So as you can see, this test domain that I've inserted is actually available. As you can see, it's green and you can successfully purchase it. But if you have some maybe more fancy name for your brand that you wish to use, it actually might be taken. So just make sure to firstly check if it's available so that you don't frustrate yourself. For example, you want some cool name, you want to use it, then you insert it and it's not available. So you just make sure to check it first if it's available. Yeah, but in general, if you want to connect a domain that you already purchased, you need a premium account. But in general, you just navigate to your menu here, account settings, domains. In here you can manage. Guys, enjoy. If this helps, leave a comment, subscribe and like the video, and I will see you in the next one.